In my over 40 years as a skincare therapist, one of the most distressing skin conditions I see is that of acne. And it does come at one of the most distressing times in your life as well, because it usually starts to appear during your teens, and that's the time when you really want your skin to look its absolute best. I'm sure there's not one of us on the planet that hasn't at some time or other looked in the mirror and thought, oh God, no, not another spot. You know, we all want to look our best, and one spot alone can ruin your day. Now imagine having a face full of spots all the time that is red and angry in appearance, and that stretches down onto the chest area and over the shoulders and across the back. This can be incredibly debilitating for an individual, and I'd like to talk through with you some of my experience and some of my solutions to managing acne. There are 3 prongs attached to treating an acne skin, one of which of course is always consulting your doctor or your general practitioner. Now, they can prescribe medication, they can prescribe topical applications, but I would always suggest that you do your research on whatever it is you're being given and talk to your doctor at length about it. There is a lot of information on the internet about some of the side effects that people have experienced, and that can range from mood altering to skin thinning. So please do your research before you rely purely on the quick fix of medication. One of the other things you need to look at of my 3-prong attack is your lifestyle. You know, the way you look after yourself internally, the way you know what you're eating, what you're drinking. All of that is really important in the way your body functions. But of course the real problem is the fact that you've got a greasy skin that's really misbehaving itself. Your skin will be oily, and because of its oiliness it provides a brilliant breeding ground for bacteria. The pores become blocked and you get blackheads, and these can become infected and turn into spots and even into boils and cysts, and that can be really nasty. So what do we do on a daily basis to manage that? Well, the type of product you select and the regime you follow is really important. The Love Your Skin mantra of cleanse, exfoliate and treat is crucial for treatment of an acne skin. Now, whether you cleanse with a wash or with another product, what you must go for is something that's more oil-free. Now, with Love Your Skin, we have the complete cleansing water. If you're somebody who wears makeup, and I'm certainly not anti-makeup, which some people say, oh, you should never wear makeup when you have acne. No, of course you want to wear makeup. You want to cover up the spots. But what you must do is thoroughly cleanse your face. This cleansing water will take every scrap of makeup off, which should be done twice daily, and it will also leave your skin oil-free because it's an oil-free product. But preferably, I would rather you choose the Cleanse and Smooth Exfoliating Wash, because this product not only will remove all traces of makeup, it's also a twin leveled exfoliator. You have in here a salicylic acid, which will remove dead skin cells, but also finely rounded smooth beads which won't aggravate the skin and will literally slough off all the dead skin cells. You know, a typically acne skin is very red and angry because the blood is being forced to the area to fight the bacteria and to fight the infections. So this angry skin doesn't need product that strips the skin. Unfortunately, a lot of products on the general open market are there for exactly that. They want to give you a quick fix because you desperately want to get rid of your spots, but that will strip your skin of oil, might make the spot go away, but the message to your skin is, oh my lord, I've been stripped of oil. So what your skin does is pushes out more oil to replace it, actually exacerbating the problem. What we want to do at Love Your Skin is treat your skin gently but thoroughly with good, natural, active ingredients that deliver the results without aggravating your skin further. So using this twice a day is perfectly gentle, kind to your skin, yet very effective. So you've cleansed, you've exfoliated, and now we go on to treating. Now the important thing with treating is that you recognize the symptoms you've got on a daily basis and you treat them. And there are going to be a combination of 3 serums that you might need to use either singly or any combination during your time of treating your acne skin. The first one, of course, is purifying and balancing, because we want to fight the bacteria on the surface of the skin so that we're less likely to get infections and spots. Now this can be applied topically onto each spot, so literally pump out the product and then apply directly onto each spot. And if you have a face full of them, a chest full and a back full, then you just cover all over with your serum. Then, of course, you have the redness that I've talked about. Very often when it's at its worst, acne is incredibly red, and therefore you're going to need the calming and soothing serum, which will take down that redness without being harsh. If you have the spots and the redness, blend the two together. What you will find is once the spots are starting to subside, you then go into the stage of scar tissue, which is part of the healing process, and the skin might look purply and uneven in texture. And at that point, the smoothing and retexturizing serum is the one to start using. Again, it can be mixed with the other two, or it can be used on its own, depending on what you need on any individual day. And then over that, the hydrogel moisturizer. Again, primarily water-based, you're not adding excessive oil, but it will lubricate your skin whilst protecting it. Collagen to plump it and vitamin E to smooth it. With those few products, you can manage your skincare through acne. And remember, it's the face, it's the chest, it's the back, neck and shoulders. Treat every area the same as you would do as your face, and before long you will really start to see that long-term improvement.